Hello, welcome to my channel. How to unlock new houses. Well, basically, you have to use, this is download the HGTV, okay? This is a new DLC, okay? Yeah, and then you basically, every time you do a job, they unlock for you a new house. So that's so cool about it. So I thought to try it out, even though I haven't finished. I have I think 3 more or 4 more houses I have to complete from the main house flipper game. So I thought, let's check it out. I want to see these houses. So yeah, this is the first house that I've chose to work on. And when you finish it, they put a check on it, as you see in the beginning I showed you guys. So yeah, it's a mess. And let's go upstairs and view the beautiful beach for a little while. Okay, yeah, okay. We'll go inside now and look at the house. It looks normal. Okay, I just love the view of the beach. But I'm sure there are much better houses. Remember, this is the first house we're working on in this area. This new, like a pack, you call it. You get it separately, than the main game house flipper. I'm sure you players know that, but I'm talking about the new players that we are in Saudi. And this here new pack, actually there's like a question mark where you can choose from 2 choices from the owners of this house. Each one of the family, there's like 2 people basically. Yeah, they have a choice. Okay, like one wants something in the living room, someone else wants something else. Okay, you'll see in a minute. So we're just showing you basically like different rooms, as you see here. This lady here wants TV and in the living room, and her husband here wants a fireplace. So yeah, of course we need a TV. So I chose the modern life, even though they're living in front of the beach. And yeah, the floor is just so dirty. And there are some items they want you to delete. As you see, there's a list in the right. They want you to delete, to clean up, to clean, either, to add things. So basically you have to do it so you can get paid right. And in this, in this pack, I guess each family for the job, they have like a budget, that they're willing to pay. So I want to keep on the budget. You don't go so high, don't pay so much. So basically you can't really, you can buy a lot of things and reorganize everything and use up money, but I haven't tried and see what happens. This is my first house, so I'm gonna stay in the budget. But maybe one time, one of the houses I'm gonna try and maybe spend more and see what happens. What would the family do? Will they pay for it or not? Or we have to try that out later on. But now, yeah, after deleting the things they don't want, it's cleaning time. So yeah, and as you see here, you open the list and you see all the things they want you to do and how much you have done already, and these are the things you can buy. So it's cleaning time, my friends, and it's really a mess. I don't know what's on the floor, but okay, we're cleaning this up. I really wanted to sell this stuff and buy new, but you can't. Some of the things you did. Now we're all done here. Basically, we're cleaned. As you see, there's all a check on at that area, but there is, okay, like a storage room somewhere downstairs that I need to go look for it. Okay. And clean it up and, do what they want me to do in it. So making sure everything is clean and all done. Well, we're all done here in this house upstairs. We cleaned it up. There's like a little closet area, but like I said, we are not buying more extra things because of the budget. Not yet. So I'm gonna go outside now and look for the storage room to see what they got in that room. And we're gonna see what they want us to do in the room. And it's probably heading somewhere in here, as you see all the mess. trying to give us signs where it can be, and there it is. There's the door. Let's go see what's inside, and also has a question mark for us to choose from, as you see. And here, as you see, it looks like it's like the little, you know, her husband area, place where her little work, his workshop, his work stuff, you know. Yeah, I'll get rid of everything that is garbage. And then we're going to see what they want us to make here. And yeah, of course, I have to try to see if I need to sell anything here. And basically, you know, they want all the stuff. So I have to choose, you know, from this question mark thing. Yeah, after cleaning up everything, getting it ready to make it into what they want. And as you see, the lady wants a sauna, and he just wants his stuff here. He wants it as it is, but he just wants us to add a chair and a trash can. So his job is easier. So yeah, I mean, the man needs his stuff. I think he needs his workshop. Why would I change it to a sauna then where he's gonna have his stuff, you know? Upstairs, I chose the ladies' choice. We made her, you know, a nice TV, little sitting area. And here's going to be the man's choice. We have to be, you know, equal, right? Satisfy each person and somehow. And here, of course, it's cleaning the garden time. Taking all the tall grass out. Yeah, so we're all done, my friends, with this house, as you see. And I also added a little fireplace over there. We had like still more money what we can use from the budget. So I thought, why not add a nice little fireplace for the guy? And there you got it. Before and after. Well, it's not that much difference, as you see, because it's a job. Basically, you're doing the things they want you to do. And if you don't, you know, there might be some consequences. So we have to try that out next time. Well, thank you guys. That's how you find a new house unlocked. And right now, this is the house I got that I can buy and own for sale. I'm going to put some links below. You guys like to check them out, you know, to buy things and stuff. On my website and my other channel on YouTube. If you guys like to go check that out. And my links for Instagram and all that, you know. You guys can check it out in the description. Yeah. Okay. Bye.